It's May 1st, Labor Day, and we are here in front of my parents' house to have some Bosnian food and to record my dad's garden because he specifically also invited me to record his lush and ever-growing garden. Sister, I see you have a beer ready for me.
I sure do.
Cheers. So, May 1st is Bosnian Labor Day. It's celebrated 2 days in a row because for a Bosnian, 1 day of drinking is just not enough. It is traditionally celebrated outside, in the forests, in the fields, the green pastures of Bosnia. Why? I don't know. But we are Bosnians living in a desert, Phoenix, Arizona. So for us, we don't go outside, especially when it's over 100 degrees. So right now, we're gonna start this night off, thank you mother, with some traditional Bosnian coffee and beer, which is non-traditional Bosnian beer, it's Modelo. Again, we're in Phoenix.
Mexican beer.
No shit. I like my coffee just how I like my woman. It's woman. I like my coffee how I like my woman.
Wait,
Women, Jesus.
Women!
I like my coffee how I like my women. This is my aunt, Munevera.
Hi, Mirza.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Are you drinking alcohol?
No, because I use the antibiotic.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say because you're driving. Okay, in front of us right now, a traditional delicacy of Turkey and Bosnia, the premium handcrafted baklava, store-bought. Oh shit, I'm sorry. I almost spilled that coffee, broski. It looks like a bird nested in here. Dropping shit everywhere. What are you laughing at, sister? Go get your brother a napkin. These are not that good. No, it's good. Baklava, traditional dessert. We eat it
Anyway.
Monday to Friday, over the weekend sometimes, and for every holiday. So every day. So my dad grew up on the farm, grew up on the ranch, the farm life in Bosnia. He was a farmer his whole life, his dad before him, probably his dad before him. Everywhere he's lived here in America, he's always made it a big mission to continue that, to continue his gardening. So he said, Mirza, you need to come to my house and you need to record my garden and you need to upload it to YouTube so the people out there can see his garden. So this is Mr. Muhidin Hamzić, moj otac, I on je ovdje farmer Đuro. Ovdje je veliki vrt. Muhidin, hajde ustani vam da mi pokažeš, molim vas.
Ajde, šta te interesuje?
Interesuje me šta ti ovdje imaš, malo je pala noć, ali imamo ovdje malo svjetlo. Gdje nam ti reci šta je ovdje posađeno, šta trenutno imaš, šta si imao i tako to.
Ovo je mali prostor, a dosta stvari ovdje ima. Ovdje imaš 30 struka paradajza, imaš 50 struka paprika, imaš bokvicu trava, bokvica to ide u salatu, malo ko zna šta je to, ima jagoda, ima menta, ima pčelija trava, više vrsta paradajza, sitni, krupni.
Jesi rekao paprike, patliđan?
O, ima i patliđan, vidi, za njega sam zaboravio.
Kako si mogao za takav patliđan zaboraviti?
I ovdje provodim dosta slobodnog vremena uz veliku ljubav i mi pričamo s ovim biljkama, ja s njima razgovaram i zato se one lijepo osjećaju i lijepo su rodile i ponijele dobar rod.
Tvoja tajna zašto je ovo povrće veliko, to jest ljubav i priča.
Ljubav i priča sa biljkama. Ja stavim stolicu ovdje i gledam u njih i ovako tepam im nekad. Pričam, one to vole.
I to vole i oni narastu.
Jesi, daju bolji plod, bolje se osjećaju, manje ih napada bolest.
Tako. Fino. I ukupno sve ovo povrće ovdje, koliko misliš otprilike neki broj ovako da dadneš?
Pa jedno 100 kila paradajza i bit će paprika možda jedno 50 kila. Ovi 10 sadnica paprika, ovi 2 saksije, sad ima 100 paprika na njima. Ja imam slobodnog vremena pa i brojim.
I brojiš?
I brojim i ne mogu nikada izbrojim, uvijek dođem do 100, možda čak ima i više. Ali eto,
znači svi kažu Amerika samo rad, ovo ono, a ti već imaš vremena i da brojiš paprike na struku.
Toliko ima vremena.
Bravo.
Brojim, interesuje me i tako.
Bravo, svaka čast, svaka čast.
I je toliko sad, odo malo da odmorim.
Ajde ti malo odmori, potegni malo. What's that?
It's a lamb.
That's lamb. So this salad, everything is from my dad's garden, fresh from the garden, except the lettuce, right? Does he grow lettuce? No? Except the lettuce. Everything else, all these tomatoes right here, that's all grown in the garden. Nice. Comes naturally from the ground. That's how you like it, without all the plastic fake shit in it. Happy Labor Day to all the Bosnians out there on this 1st of May for Bosnian Labor Day. We are at my mom's house, and we got a beautiful feast here. This is what we're having. All right, check this out. We got some traditional Bosnian lamb.
I have
Look
soup
at that.
if somebody wants. I didn't put it there.
We got some non-traditional Parmesan wings for the American lovers here. We got wings. All right, we got some traditional Bosnian pitas right here, and we got inside there's beef, there's onions. Is there cheese? Some of them are cheese pitas, some of them are beef pitas. Look at that. We got the oven baked vegetables right there. Some more traditional wings, but that's boring. Let's look at the good stuff right here. Oven baked potatoes with some carrots. Goulash, another very traditional Bosnian dish with beef. Look at that. Really good. And then right here, something that I don't eat often, and that's veal. This is veal meat. Look at that.
What is that? Sweet.
Veal meat.
It tastes like baklava?
Nice. All right, let's dig into this because I am starving. And that is that for today's little short episode. Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna try and do a lot more of these little shorts, of these little documentaries of our life and everybody around us. Hope you like this little episode. We'll see you guys in the next video. This is Destination Hamzik. Thanks for watching.